zero order integrated rate equation for zero order. Integrated rate equation for zero order. You don't remember? Revise नहीं किया डोना आपने? Yes, डोना, you tell me.
Is it
कल ही पढ़ाया? नहीं नहीं, एक सेकंड. आपने रिवाइज किया है?
A little bit.
Little bit का क्या मतलब? नहीं किया है. Lubna, you tell me. Zero order reaction. What is the integrated rate law equation? Lubna, please turn your mic on. Yes, Lubna.
dx
जोर से.
dx equals.
No, I can't hear you. Can anyone hear Lubna? Yes. Shaheen, can you hear Lubna?
No.
No. Lubna, speak loudly.
dx
बोलिए, बस इतना ही है क्या? पढ़ना वढ़ना है नहीं आप लोगों को. आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? एग्जाम है ना?
So
हाँ.
is it minus kx a naught plus k naught? I mean a naught.
No. It is an equation. Okay, it is an equation. Kinza, you tell me. Kinza, please turn your mic on.
Yes, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, Akshay. I'm saying, what is the zero order integrated rate law equation for zero order reaction? Integrated rate equation for zero order reaction.
Concentration of A naught minus concentration of A is equals to KT.
For first order reaction.
It's minus ln of concentration of A is equals to KT plus C.
No, wrong. Akshay, you tell me. Zero order reaction. What is the integrated rate law equation for zero order reaction, Akshay?
Like the one yesterday's.
Yeah, that we derived yesterday. Yeah, integrated rate law equation.
Minus concentration of A minus plus concentration of
फिर से
A naught.
नहीं, एक बार सोच लीजिए, फिर से अच्छे से बताइए. ये एक बार अच्छे से ध्यान में ले आइए, उसके बाद फिर बताइए, ठीक है? Yeah, tell me, what is the zero order reaction? Integrated rate law equation for zero order reaction.
So that A naught and A concentration of A naught is that relation, right?
Yeah.
A concentration of A naught minus concentration of A equal to KT plus C.
KT plus C.
KT.
Mansi, you tell me, for the first order reaction, what is the integrated rate law equation for the first? ठीक है अक्षय. Mansi, please turn your mic on. Yes, Mansi. Mansi नहीं है क्या? Okay. Yes, Kulsum, you tell me, for the first order reaction, what is the integrated rate law equation? Can't hear you, Kulsum. Kulsum, I can't hear you. Shaheen, you tell me, for first order, what is the integrated rate law equation?
Log concentration of A naught minus log concentration of A equals KT by 2.30.
Yeah, that is correct. Okay, so देखिए guys, last class में का आप लोगों को याद नहीं आया, यानी कि आप लोग रिवाइज करके नहीं आए. Okay.
Sir, can you explain the derivation of first order reaction again from the integrate from both sides? That part I'm kind of confused in that.
अच्छा, ठीक है. जी. बताइए, कहाँ तक आप, यहाँ तक आपको ठीक है?
Yes, sir. That from both the sides. Yeah, after that both sides one, I can't comprehend that part.
नहीं अच्छा ये आपको नहीं पता कैसे आया, राइट?
Yes,
You
sir.
don't. Okay, fine. See, you know this integration of 1 upon x dx is equal to ln x. You know this?
Yesterday you did say that. Yeah.
हाँ, मतलब आपको पता नहीं है लेकिन इतना होता है, ये आपको मानना पड़ेगा, ठीक है शाहीन?
Yes, sir.
इसका प्रूफ क्या है मैथ्स वालों के पास? क्या है इसका प्रूफ? इसका प्रूफ ये है कि व्हाट इज द प्रूफ फॉर दिस वन? समथिंग लाइक दिस ना, ln of x upon dx is equal to 1 upon x, right guys? Akshay, d ln of x upon dx is equal to 1
So
upon
with
x, right?
RLMs.
No, I am saying that integration of 1 upon x is equal to ln x, correct?
Yes.
So why is the integration of 1 upon x is equal to ln x? Because the differentiation of ln x is equal to 1 upon x. ये है ना मैथ्स में प्रूफ? हाँ,
Yes.
राइट ना? दिस इज ओनली, आई मीन मैथ्स में बस यही है कि इसका ln x का डिफरेंशिएशन 1 upon x होता है, तो 1 upon x का इंटीग्रेशन ln x होगा, ओके? एंड दिस कांस्टेंट पार्ट, ये आपको नहीं पता कैसे आता है शाहीन? यू नो अबाउट दिस आल्सो, टेल मी, डू यू नो अबाउट दिस कांस्टेंट पार्ट? Shaheen,
Yeah,
keep
sir.
your mic on.
That's
Keep your
integral
mic on.
constant. Yes, I know that.
Keep. You
So
know
in
that.
maths
Keep
we
your
take
mic.
it as log x instead of ln x.
What you take this as?
Log x.
Log x, na?
Direct log x. Derivative of log x equal to 1 by x.
ln x नहीं, log
No,
यानी कि base 10 ना, base 10,
base e.
base e ना, तो वही तो ln होता है,
Oh.
है ना?
But
ln
in
x तो
maths
natural.
textbook is written log x, that like not ln x.
हाँ ठीक है, लेकिन ln का मतलब ये होता है, ठीक है?
Okay.
ln a, that means it is log of base e a, ठीक है? चलिए. And what about this part? At time 0 a will be equal to a naught. ये समझ में आया आपको शाहीन?
Yes, sir.
After that minus, now what we have done, we have just plugged in the time 0 and a is equal to a naught in this equation. Okay,
Okay, sir.
fine.
Yes,
Now
it's fine.
just a second, wait a second. Okay, ठंड लग रही है, मम्मी ने आया पंखा चालू कर दिया था. Okay, so yeah, what I was saying, at time 0 a is equal to a naught, so we have just plugged in this value, so we got the constant as minus of ln a naught. यहाँ तक समझ में आया शाहीन आपको? ये सुनो, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
फिर तो कहाँ समझ में नहीं आया? आप बोले तो यहाँ पे समझ नहीं आया हमको, यहाँ तक आ गया आपको समझ में आ रहा था.
So
क्या
like
समझ
if
में नहीं
one
आया?
side wasn't clear, so the other eventually won't be clear, right? So that.
हाँ, that is
Now
true.
instead you have to plug in the value, so it's started to click in.
आ गया अब? आगे तो
Yes.
जरूरत नहीं है ना, सब आ
No,
गया?
sir. Yes, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है, चलिए कोई बात. सो कहाँ पे आपको कंफ्यूजन थी?
That's starting from both the sides, that LNA1.
ये यहाँ पे आपको कंफ्यूजन थी बस, ये वाले पार्ट
Yes.
में ना,
Yes,
ये
sir.
आपको याद नहीं आ रहा था. चलिए ठीक है, ओके फाइन, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, now we are going to plot for, now we are going to look at the graphs. Okay, please write graphs. First of all, we are going to look at graphs or first order reaction. First of all, we are going to look at rate versus concentration of reactant. Okay, rate versus concentration of reactant. Okay, so in this case, rate will be equal to K into the concentration of A to the power 1. Okay, just want to ask you something. Is there any noise from my side?
No, sir.
No.
No. Okay, fine. R is equal to K into A to the power 1. Okay. Now, this is a plot. Y is equal to, this will be my M and this will be my X. Y is equal to MX. That means this will be passing through the origin. Okay. This will be passing through what? Passing through the origin. Like this. And what will be the slope for this? Achha, what are the, this is your rate. This is your time. No, not time. This is the concentration of A. What is the slope? Slope for this is equal to K. Okay, slope for this is equal to what? K. Write this graph down. Let me know when you're done.
Done.
Done. Right, next graph.
Sir, can you scroll up? Done.
Concentration of reactant versus time. Concentration of reactant versus time. Okay. Now for concentration and time, we have the integrated rate law equation, which is log of A naught minus log of A. It is equal to KT upon 2.303. So just taking away this T for a while and writing it separately. Now I will just rearrange this equation so that I will get something like Y is equal to MX plus C. So my Y is what? Log of A. Log of the concentration of reactant will be equal to, I have taken this log minus log of A from the left hand side to the right hand side. That is why it is what? Positive. Now this K term will come in this side. You will get as minus K upon 2.303 times T plus log of A naught. Okay, plus log of A naught. This is the equation that we have got. Now we can just plug in the template of, this is complete thing Y. This complete thing is my M with the negative sign. This T is my X and this plus log A naught is my C. So Y is equal to MX plus C type of graph. This is the slope intercept form, right? We have a slope as well as the intercept. ओके बायो वाले जो हैं जिनको समझ में नहीं आती है ग्राफ, आप लोग थोड़ा पेशेंस रखें, ठीक है? आई डिड नॉट हैव एन आइडिया दैट यू गाइस आर नॉट वेरी वेल वर्स्ड इन द ग्राफ्स, अदरवाइज हम पहले ही कुछ करते हैं आप लोगों के लिए. ओके, थोड़ा पेशेंस रखिए आप लोग. सॉरी, माय बैड, इट्स नॉट द ग्राफ. We'll start from here, going away like this. Okay, so we have time here. At time 0, the log A will be what? Log A naught, right? This will be log A naught, initial concentration, and slowly the concentration of reactant is going to decrease like this. Okay, this is a very simple graph. Okay, and a similar graph will be made if you're going, now in this case the slope is what? Slope is equal to minus K upon 2.303. Okay, you can make a similar graph using ln A naught minus ln A, that is equal to KT. Okay, please remember this 2.303 will not be there because we are using natural log. In this case, the graph will be the same. Okay, everything will be same except the slope. We have only changed the slope here. So this is now ln of A, and this is your time. Your graph will look something like this. And for this case, the slope is going to be minus K. Okay, that's the only difference, nothing else. So please write these two graphs down. One is in terms of log A and the other one is in terms of ln A. The graphs are also important. They will give you direct questions from the graph. They will give you the graph and they will ask you what is the order of reaction. Okay, we'll do one question like that.
So,
Yeah, tell me.
so at log A naught, the concentration is at the highest.
Yeah, I mean at log A naught नहीं है, time अगर जब 0 होगा, so what will be the concentration of A? Tell me. At time 0, concentration of A is equal to?
At time 0,
बताइए, जल्दी बताइए. Time 0 पे, हाँ, at time 0 the concentration of A will be maximum, right?
Yeah.
Yes or no? So वही है यहाँ पे, है ना? And we also refer this at time 0 initial concentration को हम लोग क्या लिखते हैं? A naught लिखते हैं. Okay. Concentration of A at time 0. Concentration of A 10 पर बोलिए इन सब चीजों को. Okay. Since you guys don't revise, try to take as much as you can from the class itself. Concentration of A at time 0. A naught. Done everyone? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Write the next graph. Log of A naught upon A versus time. Okay, and the similar graph will be, right, or ln of A naught upon A versus time. Okay, so both of the graph will be very similar. So for this, we can just write log of, what is the equation that we are going to use? Log of A naught upon A is equal to KT upon 2.303. Okay, I'm just taking away the taking away the T for a while because it is my X. So this is what? This complete thing is my Y is equal to, this is my M and this is my X. The plot will look something like this. Now passing through the origin, because it is Y is equal to mx. It will be passing through the origin like this. In the x-axis, we are having time. In the y-axis, we are having log of A naught upon A. Now, here the slope is equal to what? Slope is this value of m, that is equal to k upon 2.303. Now, for ln A naught upon A, the equation will be ln of A naught upon A is equal to KT. No 2.303 will be there. Okay, 2.303 will not be there. So for KT, I can write K times T. Again, this whole thing is my Y, K is my M, and T is my X. So same type of graph. Here also. What is the difference? Rather than log, what do we have? We have ln, natural log. And instead of 2.303, we just have the K slope. Done everyone? Yes or no? Please tell me. Done? Okay.
No, sir, just wait.
Not done.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Is there anyone who is still writing? Please turn your mic on and say yes, sir, quickly. Is there anyone who is still writing? No. Write a question. Write this. And send the answer in chat. What is the order of this reaction? ध्यान से देखिए आप लोग. ओके, ये R is not the rate. Okay, R is the reactant. Okay, R is the reactant. Please keep in mind. I'm seeing the answers. Okay, all of you, please keep answering. R is not the rate, it is the reactant here.
So can we send the answer for the second one as well?
Yeah, sure, you can. Yes. I will tell you who are wrong actually. Okay. Mansi second is correct. Akshay correct. Mansi first one is also correct. Matthew both are correct. Lupna correct. Dona correct. Kulsum correct. Kinza correct. Atif correct. Hamza, your answer is wrong. Okay. Both of your answers are wrong. Please see why. Hamza, see what is the mistake you are seeing. Okay, what is the mistake you are doing? ठीक है, I hope you have realized what is your mistake. This is the reactant, okay? This is the reactant, not the rate. अगर rate होता तो फिर कुछ इस तरह का आपके पास plot आता, okay? Fine. So the order will be zero order reaction, and the slope is equal to minus k. Yeah, correct. The integrated rate law equation that we are using in this case is what it is. If you are taking this r naught minus r is equal to kt. Okay, so this is the integrated rate law equation that we are using. So you write another question. You have 3 questions here. The order, the slope, and the unit of rate constant for this reaction. Also, I will suggest that please answer all of these terms in one message. ठीक है, अलग-अलग message में please मत कीजिए. It gets very clumbered like that. Yeah, Akshay, I got your answer. That is correct. Understood your answer. We have just done this graph. Yes, Atif correct. Matthew correct. किंजा एक मैसेज भेजिए प्लीज. अरे एक मैसेज भेजिए आप लोग. ओके, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड को एक ही बार टाइप करके भेज दीजिए, ठीक है? ऐसे अलग अलग भेजिएगा ना, बहुत सारे मैसेजेस हो जाते हैं, समझ में नहीं आता किसका सही है नहीं है.
सर पैरा में अलग अलग नहीं.
अलग अलग नहीं, हाँ एक ही पैरा में, जस्ट सिंगल टेक्स्ट, उसमें तीनों सवाल के जवाब. वैसे आपका सही नहीं है, पहले वाला जो भी आपने पहले भेजा है ना,
मेरा
हाँ आपका, एक बार आप फिर से चेक कर लीजिए।
अच्छा ठीक।
Kulsum, that is not right. Please try once again. All three are not correct, Kulsum. Okay, think about it. I mean, the second one is fine, but again, I mean, it depends on what way you are using to get the second answer. Okay. First and third are for sure wrong. Yes, Lubna, correct. Mansi, yeah, I think that is correct. I understand what you're trying to say. Mansi, yeah, correct. See here, guys, you have just done this. Okay, बस हो गया, इतना ही आंसर कीजिए. ln of a and versus time. Okay, this is was for what? First order reaction. So this one is order of reaction is equal to 1. Slope of the curve will be equal to minus k. Unit for this one will be second inverse. Okay, this was second inverse. के सही नहीं है हमजा, आप ध्यान दीजिए ना, ln है यहाँ पे, ठीक है हमजा, ln है यहाँ पे, लॉग रहता तब आपके पास स्लोप माइनस के अपॉन 2.303 आता. आप लोगों ने या तो सही से लिखा नहीं है यहाँ पे. Okay, this is ln a, then the slope is minus k. If it is log a, then it is minus k upon 2.303. Okay, right next. Write the next question. If rate constant of decomposition of ammonia, if rate constant of decomposition of ammonia is 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 moles per liter per second, how long will it take? How long will it take to reduce NH3 from 0.1 molar to 0.064 molar. First thing, whenever you get this type of question in which you have been given the K, you have been given the A naught, you have been given the final concentration, and they are asking you about the time. So there are what? Again, as I have said earlier, integrated rate law equations are going to help you when you have this type of questions. We have 4 different terms. 3 of them will be given. 1 of them will be unknown, linear equation in 1 variable. But now the problem is whether this reaction is first order, because the first order integrated rate law equation and the 0 order integrated rate law equation both are different. So first thing is that you will identify the order of reaction. So what is the order of reaction? Please tell me in the chat.
0.
अरे भाई ठीक है. Order of reaction. Shaheen, आप बताइए, what is the order of reaction? Shaheen, tell me. Why 0? Why 0?
Because like L minus 1 more the constant.
हाँ तो फिर
So it's 0.
क्या? तो L minus 1 तो 0. क्यों? What is the, how do we write it? For example, मान लीजिए आपके पास अगर होता second inverse, तो क्या होता order of reaction?
First order.
First order. अगर आपके पास होता moles -2, liter 2 and second inverse, तब क्या होता order?
First no
अभी क्या order होता है इसके लिए?
second
हाँ
order.
शायद सेकंड ऑर्डर, तो ये तो -1 ऑर्डर होना चाहिए फिर तो, है ना? ठीक है, रिवाइज कीजिए. ठीक है, आपको लग रहा है कुछ तो था लीटर से कनेक्शन, है ना शाहीन?
Yes sir.
है ना, लेकिन याद नहीं है आपको, है ना? राइट?
Yes sir.
आप जब रिवाइज कर रही होंगी तो आया होगा कहीं पे कि मतलब अगर ऑर्डर है, अगर आपके पास यूनिट है के का, तो ऑर्डर कैसे निकालते हैं? उसने अच्छा ये तो बहुत आसान था, है ना, एक लाइन का था, बहुत ही छोटा सा था ट्रिक, है ना शाहीन? और फिर
Yes
छोड़
sir.
दिया, है ना? ऐसा सबके साथ होता है ना, इट्स नॉट ओनली विथ यू, ऐसा सबके साथ होता है. बहुत छोटी सी जो चीज होती है ना, वो आपको लगता है अच्छा ये तो पता है हमको, उसको स्किप कर गए. ठीक है, स्किप कर गए, लेकिन आपके दिमाग के लिए फेमिलियर था, वही हम बोले. फेमिलियरिटी इज व्हाट इट इज योर एनिमी. कोई चीज आपको फेमिलियर लग रहा है तो उसको पढ़िए और पढ़िए. ठीक है, उसको ध्यान से पढ़िए, और क्योंकि आपका ब्रेन आपको ट्रिक कर रहा है कि आपको आता है और आपको नहीं आता है. ओके, सी व्हाट वी नीड टू डू. कैन एनीवन टेल मी how to get the order of reaction using the units of K? How can we get the order of reaction using the units of K? अक्षय आपने बताया था सबसे पहले, आंसर आप बताइए.
Like the formula you taught us before.
हाँ, क्या फॉर्मूला था वही तो बताइए.
Like some mole liter inverse
नहीं तो इतना जल्दी आपने आंसर कैसे कर
to the power
ऑर्डर
something.
समथिंग, तो वो भी आपको याद नहीं? एनीवन, नो वन रिमेंबर्स हाउ टू गेट द ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन इफ यू हैव द
Like we'll add one.
यूनिट्स?
Like,
Add
to
1
the
to L.
add 1 to the power.
हाँ, पावर ऑफ एल. शाइन याद आया आपको अब?
Yes sir.
पावर ऑफ एल प्लस 1. ओके, पावर ऑफ एल प्लस 1, दैट विल बी द ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन. ठीक है, चलिए. ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन इज इक्वल टू नाउ व्हाट? -1 + 1. अच्छा, इसको प्लीज सीबीएसई के एग्जाम में ऐसे मत लिख दीजिएगा, आप लोग यहाँ पे सीधा लिख सकते हैं. सीबीएसई का एग्जाम होगा ना, यू कैन डायरेक्टली राइट इन दिस क्वेश्चन और ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस रिएक्शन इज इक्वल टू, रफ में कर लीजिएगा, 0 order, right? -1 + 1 will be equal to 0. What is the integrated rate law equation? Please tell me guys, what is the integrated rate law equation for 0 order reaction? अच्छा,
Concentration of
एक काम,
Concentration of
हम्म.
N.
concentration of
is
A naught
A
minus
naught minus A
concentration.
concentration of A equals KT.
equals KT. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे आपके पास क्या क्या चीजें हैं बताइए. You have this A naught, yes or no, please tell me.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
कितना है? What is this? A naught?
0.1.
0.1.
0.1. What is this A?
0.064.
0.064.
What is this K?
4 into 10 raised.
4 into 10 raised to minus
3, right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
this
minus
time is unknown. Time निकाल लीजिएगा आप लोग. Yes or no, please tell me. जल्दी निकालिए. Calculate this fast. Time. And please answer कीजिएगा units के साथ, ठीक है? बिना यूनिट के आंसर मत कीजिएगा, नहीं तो मार्क्स कुछ नहीं मिलेगा आपको. लेकिन एक चीज ध्यान रखिएगा आप लोगों को सबसे पहले क्या निकालना है? ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन आपको पता होना चाहिए. देन ओनली यू कैन यूज अ पर्टिकुलर इंटीग्रेटेड रेडियल इक्वेशन. यस, डोना करेक्ट, वेरी गुड. डोना, आपको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
आपने लिखा है इसको? आप जरा हमको फोटो भेजिए, आपने कैसे इसको कैलकुलेट किया है.
हाँ.
I got to know that you have a bit of difficulty in like writing the answers. Is that true, Dona?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, आप हमको भेजिए, हम देखते हैं उसको. ठीक है. नहीं, अक्षय गलत है. भाई once again आपने क्या कर दिया भाई? Oh God, it's like if your answer would have been Germany, Akshay, then also it will be that far up. कितना दूर है आपका आंसर? Have you seen those memes in which said that students are fighting whether the answer is minus 0.96 or whether it is minus 0.86?
Yeah, but
and
you
have
got like
got answer.
Germany.
Yeah. The same kind of answer you are getting here, Akshay. Okay. Fine. But it happens with the best of us. Like even if I can also relate with this, so it has happened with me also. But you first thing is that you identify the mistakes and then उसको ठीक कर दिया, ठीक करते रहिए. Identify your mistakes, ठीक करते रहिए. इसी वजह से हम बोलते हैं ना, कभी भी आप लोग पेंसिल से मत लिखिए और अपने आंसर्स को व्हाइटनर से मत मिटाइए, राइट? You always cut your answers. तो आपको पता रहेगा like what mistakes you are doing. Atif, correct, very good. Oh, by the way, what a nice win today, right? How many of you saw the match?
Yeah, Islam won very nicely.
Oh, no, I was talking about.
Oh, okay. I thought you were talking about India. Yeah, India as well.
Yeah, India also, India as well, right?
Yeah, it's a very satisfying win.
India has. Yeah, it was
Went to
really
the
nice.
wire.
Yeah, the last ball and all. I mean, what I'm
No,
really
Virat
sad
Kohli
for
did come like very clutch though.
Yeah, very clutch. Correct. Also, Islam made it look very simple.
Yeah, exactly.
Very simple.
3-minute submission.
Yeah, 3 minutes in the round, second round. I was like, yes, Akshay, now it is correct. No, Matthew, again, you are a bit wrong. You are getting wrong it in the. Oh,
Okay,
what is
yeah.
that? Like in the powers of 10 or something, आप कुछ उसमें mistake कर रहे हैं. Decimal points.
I'll check again.
Yeah. Okay. Akshay got your mistake, what you were doing. Dona, I'm waiting for your answer. आप भेजिएगा नहीं?
On WhatsApp?
Yeah, on WhatsApp ना.
Oh, okay.
आपने हमको देखना कि आप लिखें कैसे उसको, right? Kinza, correct, very good. अच्छा, one more thing. I'm not very sure whether you will have a class on the next Saturday or not. Okay. I may be traveling or I may have reached home from where I can take the class. So I'm not really sure. if there will be no classes, then there will be a test on chemical kinetics till today's class. Okay, guys. If you're not having any class, then there will be a test on chemical kinetics. Okay. Also, those who are having the exam on 3rd of November, please read those DNF block, whatever I have sent you, the highlighted NCERT part. Okay. And like, please make sure you send some doubts if you have any, because I don't see myself taking class, like any extra class in the coming week. So whatever I have taught in the DNF block, revise that portion, and also read the, also like, please complete the NCERT exercises at least. Okay. आपको एक्सरसाइज आना चाहिए बिना देखे, ऐसा नहीं कि देख के आप लोग एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं. What happened, डोना? आपने कैलकुलेटर से कैलकुलेट करके भेज दिया क्या? Yes, डोना.
So I'm trying to find my phone. I don't have my phone today.
Oh, okay. What about others waiting for your answer, guys? बहुत ही छोटा सा था ये तो प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, कैलकुलेट कर लीजिएगा इसको. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Those who are not calculating this in this short period ना, आप लोग को टाइम में बहुत दिक्कत होने वाली है एग्जाम के टाइम. Okay, you'll not get time. Right, next, the value of rate constant. For a reaction is 60-second inverse. In what time? अच्छा हिबा, आपका एक भी जवाब नहीं आया. ठीक है, प्लीज सेंड सम आंसर्स, तो हमको पता चलेगा कि आपको समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है. इन व्हाट टाइम 5 ग्राम ऑफ रिएक्टेंट will get reduced to 3 grams. Okay, now please look at this question. क्वेश्चंस एटलीस्ट आप लोग ना साथ साथ लिखा कीजिए. ठीक है, कुछ लोगों की आदत है सारा लिख दे, फिर उसके बाद आराम से हम देखते कि द VALU वैल्यू ऑफ रेट, ऐसे एक तो मत लिखा कीजिए. यू राइट इट इन सेंटेंस वाइज. द वैल्यू ऑफ रेट कांस्टेंट फॉर रिएक्शन 60 सेकंड पर इनवर्स. ठीक है, 60 सेकंड इनवर्स, इतना आपने पढ़ा. उसके बाद सारा एक बार लिखिएगा, एक एक वर्ड. ओके, मानसी हैज सेंट मी. या मानसी, दैट इज करेक्ट. वेरी गुड मानसी. आपने तो आंसर किया था ना मानसी? और यू डिड नॉट? नहीं, आपने नहीं दिया भेजा था आंसर. ठीक है, your answer is correct though. Okay, all of you please listen here, don't write anything. Okay, stop writing, keep your pens aside, and please listen here. Now in this question we have been given second inverse. First of all, tell me what is the order of reaction. Order is equal to is Akshay correct? First order reaction. Okay, this is first order reaction. Raise your hand if you did not understand why it is first order reaction. Please raise your hand fast. Raise your hand fast. Okay, all of you understood why it is first order reaction. Okay, what is the integrated rate law equation for the first order reaction? The integrated rate law equation for the first order reaction is 2.303 log of A naught upon A is equal to KT. Is equal to what? Is equal to KT. Now in this particular question, K has been given, that is equal to 60. Time they have asked, right? Now A naught they have not given. Please remember, A naught nahi hai aapke paas. We don't have the concentration. We have what? The mass. Okay, and the mass of initial mass of reactant, final mass of reactant. But please listen, all of you here. Okay, please listen. This is the important part. This is the important part. Let's suppose we have concentration of A naught upon A. So A naught upon the concentration of A. I can write this as what? The number of moles initial present divided by the volume of solution, divided by the number of moles finally present divided by the volume. Is that right? Yes or no? Please tell me, guys. Correct? Hai? Can I write this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can write this, right? And from here, you can see that what can get cancelled, the volume here and the volume here can get cancelled. And you're going to get that as n naught upon n. This is the initial number of moles and this is the final number of moles of the reactant. Is that clear? Yes or no? Please tell me, guys. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
No doubt, right? Now, number of moles of the reactant can be written as the initial mass of the reactant divided by the molar mass of the reactant. And this can be divided by the number of moles, the final mass of the reactant divided by the molar mass of the reactant. Molar mass of the reactant will be not changing initially or final में. Molar mass जो reactant का वो तो वही रहेगा. For example, if you are starting with water, the molar mass of water will not change after the reaction, right? Molar mass of water will remain molar mass of water. So we can also cancel these m and m. We will get this as the initial mass of the reactant divided by final mass of the reactant. So please listen, हम ये नहीं कह रहे हैं that the concentration is equal to the initial mass. Okay, initial concentration is equal to initial mass. That is not the case. I am saying that ratio of concentration of reactant ratio, okay, this will be equal to the number of moles. This will be equal to the mass. अगर हम concentration का reactant के concentration का initial और final लें, या फिर हम ratio ले number of moles initial और final का, या फिर हम ले number of या फिर हम ले mass of initial reactant divided by final reactant, all of those ratios will be same. Okay, so please remember this point, that all of these ratios will be same. All of you understood this point? Yes or no? Please tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
Shaheen, आपको समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you understood this, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, please see here. So we can write this as what we need to find. We need to find the time. So time will be equal to 2.303 divided by k, the log of the initial weight upon final weight, right? This will be equal to 2.303 divided by k, log of what is the initial mass? 5. Grams and grams will cancel each other, divided by 3. K की value भी लिख देते हैं. What is k value? 60. 2.303 divided by 60 into log of 5 minus log of 3. And second inverse, the 60 second inverse, it will go here, it will become second. This will be equal to 2.303 divided by 60 into log of 5 will be equal to 0.70 minus log of 3 will be equal to 0.48, right? Yes or no? Please tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
So you can then calculate the value for this part. Write this question. All of you understood this? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We have taken a case in which concentration was given, right? We have taken a case in which you have been given in terms of what? Grams. We'll see another case in which you have been given percentage. We'll see another case in which you have been given the fractions. We will also see in a case in which you are not given the rate constant directly. You have to calculate the rate constant. Okay. Write this down first.
Sir, can you explain how volume will be constant?
Because एक ही कंटेनर में रिएक्शन होता रहेगा ना, है ना? Okay, so that is why the volume is going to be same. लिख लिया आप लोगों ने? yes or no please tell me.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, right, next question. Mostly in your exam also you will be getting the questions from the first order reaction. Okay, क्योंकि zero order the integrated rate law equation for the zero order reaction, it's quite simple, and that is why first order को ही देते हैं, because we have the log term there. Okay, so you will see very less questions from zero order reaction. Okay, right, next. Yeah, the value of rate constant of a reaction is 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 minute inverse. Calculate the time required for 75% completion of reaction. ठीक है? Now please listen very carefully. First of all, tell me what is the order of reaction?
First order.
First order reaction, correct? Okay, the order of reaction is first order. देखिए जिन लोगों को अभी थोड़ा सा भी अगर नहीं आ रहा ना इतना जल्दी, then I'm asking what is the order of reaction, और आप लोगों को तकलीफ हो रही है कि एक बार में आंसर नहीं आ रहा है, राइट? प्लीज प्रैक्टिस कीजिए आप लोग, ठीक है? प्लीज टेक दिस क्वेश्चंस बिटवीन someday in अभी बिल्कुल मत लीजिएगा क्योंकि अभी तो सब कुछ आपको समझ में आ जाएगा, because you have just done this. लेकिन on Wednesday or Tuesday or Thursday you take all of these questions and try to do it on your own without looking at the answer. Okay, now moving on, they are saying that calculate the time required for 75% completion of the reaction. If 75% is completing, let's suppose we have A, it is going to give me some product P. Now initially I will have 100% of A. Now how much should be reacted? See, 75% of the reaction is completed. That means 75% of the reaction will also be complete. Yes or no? Please tell me. It will be consumed, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what will be the final concentration of A remaining? So 100 minus 75, because 75 has reacted. 25 will be remaining. Yes or no? Please tell me, guys. Correct? Hai?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you can write. I hope ratios का आपको फंडा पता है, right? Ratios का आपको फंडा पता है. For example, let us suppose that it was what? Let's suppose it was 3 molar. Okay. So 3 molar का 75% यहाँ पे आ जाए, कितना हो जाएगा? 3 molar से कट के it will be like 1 molar will be remaining. Yes or no? Please tell me. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And if it was 6, then how much will be remaining? 2 will be remaining. Right? So see, this is the initial. This is the final. इन दोनों का ratio same है ना? Yes or no? Please tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
है ना? Ratio is same. So ratio में फंडा ये है कि once you have taken 100 ना, if you have taken like 100% and then final is 25, then you can take directly 125 as the initial and the final. So T will be equal to, for the first order reaction, T will be equal to 2.303 divided by the rate constant K log of the initial concentration divided by the final concentration. You can directly write 2.303 divided by, what is the K? 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 log of initial was 100, final was 25, and this will be 10 to the power minus 3 minute inverse. Minute will go above, it will become minute to the power plus 1. You can write this as, now 25 4s are 100, this will become 2.303 into 10 to the power minus 3 will go above, it will become 10 to the power plus 3 into log 4. It is equal to how much? Log 4 is equal to 0.6, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
And this will be having just 3 here. Then I can cancel this 3 and 0.6 as 0.2 now. This will be 0.2. Okay. Now you will write this as 2.303 multiplied by 2 into 10 to the power 2, है ना? 10 to the power 3 था, एक 10 से multiply कर दिया तो 2 हो गया ये. We'll get this as 2 to the 4 point 3 to the 6 0 6 into 10 to the power 2. Minute is as it is here. This will become 460.6 minutes. Please write this down. Let me know when you are done. If you have any doubt, please let me know now. Matthew, were you watching that Islam versus Oliveira fight live?
Yeah, not like I didn't watch the first round. I watched the second round because I didn't have time to watch the first round. But I tuned in the second round onwards.
Okay, the second round only. Anyone else watches at your home? Or you are the only one?
Oh, I'm the only one. Yeah, I'm the only one watches.
Dona, Shaheen, Lubna, Mansi, all of you understood this now? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Please let me know if you are done. Okay. ये ध्यान रखिएगा हमेशा. If you have like this ना, ये also one more thing. 75% completion अगर लिखा है, that means it is what final reactant is 25. Okay. कभी-कभी आपको यहाँ पे सीधा ये भी दे देते हैं. What is the final concentration of A? So please read the question properly. Any doubt, guys? Can I move on?
Yes.
Guys, can I move on? Okay. Chalo. Write the next question. A first order reaction takes 20 minutes for 25% completion. Calculate their time when 75% of reaction will be completed. चलिए सबसे पहली चीज हम लोग क्या करते हैं यहाँ पे whenever we get this type of question, what do we identify? Please tell me, guys. First thing is what to do?
Order of
Initial react. Oh yeah,
Yeah,
order.
order. ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन, ठीक है, ऑलवेज ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन. ऑर्डर इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे, क्या है ऑर्डर?
20 minutes. No, first order.
First order.
फर्स्ट ऑर्डर, राइट? 20 मिनट्स कोई बोल रहा है, इट इज
Sorry.
फर्स्ट ऑर्डर. ओके,
Yes,
या
yes.
no problem, no problem, it's first order. And what they're asking us to calculate the time taken when 75% of reaction will be completed. ठीक है, that's fine, not a problem. बताइए 75%, that means A naught is equal to how much? इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन कितना ले लेंगे बताइए, अगर परसेंटेज दिया है तो इनिशियल को क्या लेंगे, जल्दी बताइए. लास्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या लिया था हम लोगों ने इनिशियल को, when percentage was given?
100.
100, very good. And what will be the final concentration of A? इनिशियल 100 था, फाइनल कितना होगा?
25.
वेरी गुड. आ रही बात समझ में सबको? Yes or no, please tell me guys. Now the rate constant is not given and the time is also not given, right? है ना? This is for 75%. For 75% completion, this is the data. ठीक है, जो कि आपको टाइम भी नहीं है, के भी नहीं. But in order to get the k, they have given you another question, another scenario. In this scenario, please see what they have given for 20%. So not 25%. This for 25% completion. इन लोगों ने क्या दिया है? What is the initial concentration? Please tell me guys. जल्दी से बताइए. Turn your mic on.
100.
बाकी लोग का भी जवाब आना चाहिए ना, बाकी लोग चुप क्यों रहते हैं? आप लोग को नाम लेना पड़ता है. हाँ, आई एम स्पीकिंग टू यू गाइस. मानसी, कीप योर माइक ऑन. लुबना, कीप योर माइक ऑन. कुलसुम, कीप योर माइक ऑन. किंजा, कीप योर माइक ऑन. And who else? Hamza, if you can speak, you can keep your mic on. And all of you keep your mic on. Kulsum, Kinza, Lubna, Shaheen. हाँ, माइक ऑन करके रखिएगा, माइक ऑफ नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है? Is there anyone else who can turn their mic on? Keep their mics on, okay? Yes. A naught is equal to 100. A naught is equal to how much?
100.
100. Very good. When it is 25% complete, what is the concentration of A? Final
70.
concentration क्या होता है?
75.
Yeah, very good. 75. And the K is given. बताइए फर्स्ट केस के लिए K दिया है क्या? देखिए बताइए
20
जल्दी.
minutes.
20 मिनट्स K है होगा बिहारी,
Hmm.
टाइम ना होगा.
Yes.
Time is 20 minutes.
First order.
हाँ,
is
time is 20 minutes.
5.
हैं अक्षय?
Okay. Yes. 100.
ओके, टाइम इज 20 मिनट्स. ओके,
Okay.
चलिए. अब यहाँ से इस पर्टिकुलर डेटा से K निकल जाएगा. Yes or no, please tell me guys.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
The same reaction is
Yes,
happening here. तो इस K का वैल्यू जो भी निकलेगा, आप उसको प्लग इन कर दीजिएगा यहाँ पे, एंड फिर ये भी आपका लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल बन जाएगा. चलिए कीजिए इसको जल्दी से एंड सेंड द आंसर. ठीक है. Yeah, that is correct. 25% के लिए पहले करिए, ठीक है डोना? फोन नहीं मिला आपको डोना? Yes, Donna, did you not get the phone?
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
No, sir, I didn't get my phone.
अच्छा, okay. If you get time ना तो आप हमें भेज दीजिएगा, ठीक है? आप किस तरह से लिख रहे हैं? Maybe I can point out some few things here and there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Akshay, the value of k, that is, yeah, that is correct. You can plug in the value in the 75% completion and then calculate the time also. हमजा हेबा, आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है? Yes, हमजा एंड हेबा
Yes, sir.
आ रहा है, तो आपका आंसर क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? Yes, हेबा? आंसर भी तो आना चाहिए ना, फिर जल्दी से कैलकुलेट कीजिए इसको. Can we compare both and नहीं, कुलसुम, can you please speak what do you mean by that? Yes, कुलसुम. I can't hear you at all. नहीं पता हमको क्या कह रहे हैं आप. 75%, नहीं, फिर भी हमको समझ में नहीं आया क्या कह रहे हैं आप. ठीक है, डू कुछ कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते हैं. अगर आप डिवाइड वाइड करना चाह रहे हैं ना, तो I mean that's not the good way to go. Okay, calculate the k and then plug in here. Okay. It's kind of correct, Akshay. Very good. It's kind of correct. शाहीन दैट इज नॉट करेक्ट। 20 कहाँ से लिखा है आपने? 20 ओ माय गॉड शाहीन, आप देखिए आप लोग ना नंबर्स प्लग इन करने पे मत रहिए प्लीज। किंजा गलत है आपका भी। टाइम इज इक्वल टू 9। ओके इट्स फाइन। ओके और ठीक है किंजा, ठीक है टाइम चलेगा उतना, कुलसुम चलेगा, लेकिन बट इट इज वेरी फार अवे फ्रॉम द एक्चुअल आंसर। ओके इट्स क्वाइट फार अवे फ्रॉम द एक्चुअल आंसर। एंड शाहीन आप ना पहले ये लिखिए k इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? 2.303। इसको ठीक से अरेंज कीजिए, आपने टाइम को गलत जगह डाला हुआ है। शाहीन कैन यू प्लीज टर्न योर माइक ऑन व्हेन आई एम स्पीकिंग टू यू? यस
Yes,
थैंक
sir.
यू। दिखा आपको गलती कहाँ है या नहीं दिखा आपको? है क्या गलती किया हमने? बोलने में हमको शर्म आ रही। बोले हम, बताएं क्या मिस्टेक है आपका, या आप फिगर आउट कीजिएगा। The way you have written the equation for k is equal to, that is wrong. 2.303 into log a naught upon a is equal to kt, that is correct. The next one is wrong. Can you see why? Can you see why? दिखा या नहीं दिखा शाहीन? नहीं दिखा शाहीन? शाहीन दिखा
Yes,
या
sir.
नहीं दिखा? दिखा या नहीं दिखा?
I
नहीं दि-
arranged it in a wrong way.
हाँ क्या क्या है, क्या गलत है उसमें? कौन सा टर्म? 2.303 वाला टर्म, लॉग वाला
K,
टर्म, ए नॉट वाला टर्म? जी जी बोलिए कौन सा टर्म?
K.
के वाला टर्म? अरे नहीं भाई, टी आपने गलत जगह लिखा ना। देखिए के इज इक्वल टू, के तो टी तो डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा ना, 2.303 डिवाइड बाई टी लॉग ए नॉट अपॉन ए, ऐसे ना होगा शाहीन?
Yes, sir.
ओ यस सर। ठीक कीजिए फिर प्लीज, आप लोग ना इस तरह से लिखा कीजिए पहले, ठीक है ना? नंबर्स प्लग इन करने में बता कीजिए। ओके शाहीन चलिए
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, ध्यान रखिएगा आपके साथ ये मिस्टेक होती है। ठीक है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू राइट ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स इन इक्वेशंस करेक्टली, उसके बाद कैलकुलेट क्या कीजिए। देखिए कितने लोगों का आंसर आंसर ही नहीं आ रहा है ना किसी का। कुलसुम आपका भी आंसर नहीं आया अभी तक? नहीं आ गया कुलसुम का आंसर, चलिए ठीक है, दैट्स फाइन। किंजा आपका भी ठीक है, लेकिन बोथ ऑफ योर आंसर्स आर ना वेरी फार अवे फ्रॉम द करेक्ट आंसर। यानी कि आप लोग का मेथड सही है, बट कैलकुलेशन में कहीं आप लोग अप्रोक्सीमेशन को ज्यादा कर रहे हैं, और यू आर नॉट कैलकुलेटिंग इट करेक्टली। किसी और का आंसर नहीं आ रहा है? हाँ हमजा एंड, देखिए किन किन का आंसर नहीं आया है? शाहीन यू हैव नॉट सेंट मी एनी आंसर, मानसी यू हैव नॉट सेंट मी एनी आंसर, है ना? या मानसी आपका के भी नहीं आया मानसी अभी तक। लुबना यू हैव नॉट सेंट मी एनी आंसर। किंजा, किंजा ने भेज दिया आंसर। ओके देन वी हैव डोना हैज आल्सो नॉट सेंट मी एनी आंसर। ऑल ऑफ यू डिड नॉट गेट द के? यस डोना, डिड यू गेट द के रेट कांस्टेंट या नहीं?
Yes, sir. K is equal to. Should I tell the answer? Or
या
do you-
या टेल द, या टेल द आंसर।
Okay. 0.0144.
0.014।
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's fine. Correct. Chalega. What about you, Heba? Did you get the value of K? Yes, Heba.
Yes, sir.
What's the value of K you got? Keep your mic on when I'm talking to you.
Sir, it is 0.0144.
ठीक है. Hamza, did you get the answer? Please write in chat, yes or no. At least for K. What's the answer you got? What's the answer, Hamza? Okay, चलिए आगे का आप लोग खुद से कैलकुलेट कीजिएगा, ठीक है? बैठिए, क्लास के बाद बैठिए, उसके बाद फिर से कैलकुलेट कीजिएगा. ओके, नाउ लुक एट अनदर क्वेश्चन. Look at this question here. Okay, rate constant of a first order reaction is second inverse. Now they can also give you just a rate constant for a reaction. First order आपको नहीं भी दे सकते because they have given the rate constant and its units also. Just a second. Okay, so here we have rate constant, that is what, 60 second inverse. Okay, how much time will it take to reduce? Please see this particular question. How much time will it take to reduce the initial concentration of reactant to its 1/10 value? They have given you the final concentration. ठीक है, please see here. इनिशियल क्या ले सकते हैं हम लोग? इनिशियल वी कैन टेक इट एज 10. फाइनल कितना हो जाएगा बताइए?
1.
फाइनल 1 है ना. You have got initial, you have got final. What you are going to do? You are going to do T is equal to 2.303 divided by K, that is 60, into log of 10 upon 1. That means log of 10. This will be nothing but this will be equal to 2.303 divided by 60 seconds. बात आई समझ में आप लोगों को? Yes or no, please tell me, guys. All of you got this? Yes or no, please tell me.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes. Okay. Now write the next question.
Sir, could you please scroll up?
You want to write the question? Please write the question.
Okay, done, sir.
All of you done? Yes or no, please tell me.
Wait, sir.
Okay. Those who are done, they can write this question. This is very important question. इसको नहीं भी तो आप लोग ना 10 बार करके जाइएगा एग्जाम में. ओके, this has been asked many times. All of you wrote this question, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
1 minute.
please listen. Yeah, please write.
Done, sir.
Done? ठीक है. Please listen everyone, keep your pens aside and please listen very carefully. Okay, so they have told us to prove that, show that time required for 99% of completion is twice the time required for 90% completion of a reaction. Whenever we have percentage and we have two cases here, we'll write first of all, number one, for 90% completion. For 90% completion, what is the initial concentration? Initial will be, tell me, 100. Final will be
10.
Very good. Now in this case, the time will be equal to, now I'm going to write this time as T 90%, है ना? Will be equal to 2.303 divided by K log of 100 upon 10. That means the T 90% will be equal to 2.303 upon 10, 100 upon 10. This will be what? 10. And log 10 is equal to how much? Tell me guys, log 10 is equal to
1.
1. So the T 90% is equal to 2.303 divided by K. Next is डोना, आपको log के बारे में पता है या फिर आपको नहीं पता? log 10 is equal to 1. Do you know this, Dona? The value of log and all?
Yes, sir.
You know this, right? Okay. What about other girls like Lubna, Shaheen? You लोग थोड़ा late आए थे. 99% completion. I taught it. Okay, fine. ठीक है. For 99% completion, initial will be
100.
how much?
100.
Final will be
1.
1. So T 99% is equal to 2.303 divided by K into log of 100 upon 1. Log of 100 is equal to how much?
2.
2, right? And we can write this now as T 99% is equal to, this value is what? T 90%, yes or no, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, is equal to T 90%. We can write this as 2 times T 90%. Got it guys, yes or no, please tell me.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir.
Got it. चलिए प्लीज छापिए इसको.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
I didn't understand the last part.
Okay. You understood this part, na? This 2.303 upon K is equal to T 90%. Yes or no?
That's the part I didn't understand. Into
Hey.
2 into T. That one.
Yes. ये आपको ये दिख रहा है आपको?
No. The one below, which.
अरे नहीं हम ये पूछ रहे हैं, ये दिख रहा है आपको?
Okay. Yeah, I understood that.
Got it?
Mhm.
Got it now, ना?
Yes.
ये नीचे वाला पार्ट भी समझ में आ गया?
Oh, okay. Got it.
Okay. दोनों आपको आया ना समझ में? प्रेशर पे तो
Yes,
ये
sir,
बस
I
यस नो.
understood. I understood.
हाँ ठीक. ओके. बट अगेन वंस अगेन प्लीज इसको कर लीजिएगा एक बार और. वेडनेसडे के दिन कर लीजिएगा एक दिन, ठीक है? फ्राइडे के दिन एक बार फिर से कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है? All of these things please have like gaps also in your revision. And ऐसा नहीं कि आज पढ़ रहे हैं एक साल बाद गैप लिया सर हमने, एक साल का गैप लिया उसके बाद, ऐसा नहीं. एक कंसिस्टेंट आप 5 दिन 2 दिन इस तरह से. पहले का आपका रिवीजन सबसे पहला जो होना चाहिए should be in under 2 days. Then you should revise the same thing after 5 days. Then you should revise the same thing after 10 days. Then you have to revise the same thing after. You can also revise it after like 15 days or so. Okay. But the best case is that you should revise everything almost week में एक बार पुराना जितना भी आपने पढ़ा है ना, एक बार कम से कम पेज तो पलटना चाहिए आपको उसका, ठीक है? भले ही आप उसको रिवाइज नहीं कीजिए बिल्कुल कंसिस्टेंटली, लेकिन आप पेज उसके तो जरूर पलट लिया कीजिए कम से कम. All of you done? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, right next. Half-life period. Half-life period. Right, the time required for 50% completion. 50% completion of the reaction is called half-life period. Okay, half-life period आपको दो तरीके से डिनोट किया जाता है, either as T half or T 50%. Okay, you can denote it by any one of these letters, or another definition could be the time during which initial concentration of reactant is reduced to half. Okay, is called half-life period. Okay, we also call this as T half. Okay, T half, T 50%. All of these words are used for the term which is known as half-life period. Okay, so for example, we are starting with 10 moles per liter of concentration. What time it is going to take to get the concentration of reactant to 5 moles per liter? Okay, whatever the initial concentration is, uska आधा होने में कितना time लग रहा है? That is half-life period. Okay, so first of all, we are going to look at the half-life period of zero order reaction. Please write number 1. Zero order reaction. Okay, zero order reaction. Now please listen. The integrated rate law equation for zero order reaction is what? Please tell me, guys, what is the integrated rate law equation for zero order?
Concentration of A naught minus concentration of A equal to KT.
Equal to KT.
Is equal to KT. Okay. Now we are going to calculate the T half. So T will be equal to T half. Now the concentration, initial concentration of A will not change. It will be still A naught. Okay, but the final concentration of A कितना हो जाएगा? Initial concentration का आधा, right? So it will be A naught upon 2. This thing is very important to understand. Okay, please ऐसा ignore मत कीजिएगा, इसको लिखिएगा. Okay, this is what the final concentration will become, A naught by 2. This is the most important part. Okay, this is the part that is defining that we are going to write the integrated rate law equation for the T half now. So I can write now T half will be equal to the initial concentration A naught minus, I can write 0.5 of A naught. Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Correct, guys? Divided
Yes.
by K. So this will be what? A naught minus 0.5 A naught will give me 0.5 A naught. Yes or no, guys? Please tell me.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
है ना? यहाँ से आपको 0.5 A naught को क्या लिख सकते हैं? 1/2 into A naught upon K, or you can write this as the T half is equal to A naught upon 2K. Okay, so this is something that you have to memorize. Okay, so the T half for zero order reaction is A naught upon 2K. Then we are also going to plot for this. plot for T half versus the concentration of A. So you can see T half is directly proportional to A naught, and this is the graph of y is equal to mx, okay, passing through the origin. Here we are going to write the concentration of A. We are essentially trying to see how the half-life is going to change if we increase or decrease the concentration. So you can directly say that it is going to, the concentration, if it is increasing, the T half is also going to increase. If you are having more reactant, it will take a lot of time to get to half of the reactant concentration. Okay, so for this thing, the slope will be equal to 1/2k. Okay, तो इस तरह का भी ग्राफ आ जाएगा सीधा आपको, and they will ask you what is the order of reaction. They will give you the plot for T half and A naught. They will give you the, and they will not even give you the slope. They will just give you this plot and they will ask you what is the order of reaction. Okay, so you have to give that this is zero order reaction. And also see the T half is dependent on the concentration of A. Okay, so if the concentration of initial concentration of A is high, the T half is high. If the initial concentration of A is low, the T half is also low. All of you got this? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wrote this? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes.
Yes.
All of you done? Anyone
sir.
writing? No. Right, next. Next क्या होगा? Topic बताइए जरा.
First order reaction.
Yeah. First order reaction. I hope you know the drill. आप लोग आगे आगे भी लिख सकते हैं. First of all, what I'm going to write? I'm going to write the integrated rate law equation. So T will be equal to 2.303 divided by the rate constant log of the initial concentration of A upon the final concentration of A at the T will be equal to T half. What else? The initial concentration of A will not be changed. It will be A naught only. But the final concentration of A will change to what? Tell me, guys. What will be the final concentration?
By 2.
Very good. It will be A naught by 2 because we are calculating for the half-life period. I will write this now as T half is equal to 2.303 divided by the rate constant K log of A naught upon this. We can write it as A naught by 2. Okay. Now from here, I can cancel this A naught and I can cancel this A naught and I will get the T half is equal to 2.303 log of 1. This will be what? They will cancel to 1. ठीक है, 0 से cancel नहीं होगा, division हो रहा है, right? So A naught will cancel 1 upon 1 by 2. Denominator of denominator is numerator, so this will become log 2 upon K. And as you should know, 2.303 into log of anything will be equal to natural log of 2 divided by K. This is the T half. So T half will become natural log of 2 is equal to 0.693 divided by K. The important point to note that in the T half of first order reaction, you will not see any concentration of reactant term. So it is independent of the initial concentration of reactant. No matter what the initial concentration of reactant, the T half, the half-life period will only depend on the rate constant. It will not depend on the initial concentration of A. Please write this down, guys. We are going to plot for T half versus the concentration of A. A naught, and here we have T half. Okay, no matter what the initial concentration of A is, the T half is going to be same. T half is not going to change. Okay. Please write this. Let me know when you are done.
Done, sir.
Is everyone done? Yes or no? Please tell me. All of you done, na?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Done, sir.
Is there anyone who is still writing? No. Is there anyone who has any doubt here? Please tell me. Any doubt, guys? No doubt. Okay, great. Write a question. T half for a first order reaction is 2 minutes. Calculate the time. Calculate the time taken to reduce the concentration of reactant number A from 32 moles per liter to 16 moles per liter. B from ये सेम है आगे आपका 16 moles per liter to 8 moles per liter. C from 8 moles per liter to 4 moles per liter. D from 4 moles per liter to 2 moles per liter. E from 2 moles per liter to 1 moles per liter. F from 1 moles per liter to 0.5 moles per liter. चलिए पहला का आंसर बताइए क्या होगा? How much time will it take to halve this? बताइए क्या है? T half क्या है? जल्दी बताइए.
2
तो टाइम
minutes.
नहीं लगना चाहिए. 2 minutes है ना? तो half the reaction it will take 2 minutes. ठीक है. फिर 16 से 8 होने में कितना टाइम लगाएगा बताइए जल्दी बताइए.
2
All
minutes.
of you guys, Mansi, Lubna, Kinza, Kulsum, please answer. Shaheen, कितना?
2 minutes.
2
2 minutes. What about this? Tell me.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. What about this?
2
2
minutes. 2
2
minutes.
Again, it will take 2 minutes. What about this? Again, it is going to take
minutes.
2 minutes.
2 minutes, and then again, it is going to take 2 minutes. Okay, so what do we understand from this? Please, the insight that I want you to have is, look at this particular line here. Please see, okay? Don't worry about the above case. सर लिखा नहीं है सर हमने. अरे समझ गए काफी है ना? अगर समझ गए तो काफी है. जिन्होंने नहीं समझा उनके लिए लिखना जरूरी रहता है. ठीक है? नहीं समझा तो फिर से समझाएंगे हम. Now this is like, this is the line for completion of reaction. This is 0. This is 50% complete. This is 100% complete. Just a second, guys. Okay. Okay. now the time taken for 50% completion of any reaction, 50% completion of any reaction, it is known as what? This will be T half.
Half
Yes or no, please tell me guys. Half life period, this will be T half. ठीक है, अब देख 50% से आपके पास 100% आधा यहाँ पे कहीं भी होगा. This will be your half. That is, this is the 75% completion. This will again take how much? Please tell me guys.
T half.
Again it will take half, right? क्या 1 बोल रहा है कौन? ये टी हाफ लेगा फिर से, ठीक है, टी हाफ बाई 2 नहीं लेगा, प्लीज ध्यान रखिए, बिकॉज इस 50% का थोड़ी ना पता कि ये 0 से आ रहा है. इन ईच केस, ओके, एट ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट इट इज इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन. जब 0 था तो ये इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन, जब 1 मिनट मान लीजिए इफ यू हैव कंप्लीटेड 1%, दिस इज द इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन, राइट? बिकॉज अभी तो यही है ना, अगर यहाँ से आप देखना चालू करें तो पहले क्या हुआ क्या पता, इस रिएक्टेंट को थोड़ी ना पता कि हम इनिशियल हैं या फिर हम 1 मिनट बाद आए हैं. ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? यस और नो, प्लीज टेल मी गाइस. Can you
Yes.
understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please understand. This 50% will become again initial after the T half. That means, for example, T half is equal to 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, this 50% will be the initial. अब इसको थोड़ी ना पता कि ये पुराना है, इसके लिए तो यहीं से रिएक्शन स्टार्ट हो रही है, right? So that will be your initial concentration. Okay. Okay, right. Next. See. That means I can say time taken for 75% completion is equal to how much? This will be equal to T half in plus T half. That means 2 times of T half.
So
बात
T
याद रहेगी आप?
essentially.
क्या सॉरी मैथ्यू?
So T essentially at the full time.
नहीं, फुल टाइम कैसे? फुल टाइम तो 100% के लिए होगा ना.
Okay. Yeah, makes sense.
ठीक है, इट्स नॉट वेरी इंट्यूटिव, ठीक है, इट्स वेरी काउंटर इंट्यूटिव, है ना.
Yeah,
यहाँ पे
yeah.
आधे बच्चे को लग रहा होगा कि T half by 2 होना चाहिए, बिकॉज ये तो आधे का आधा लग रहा है सर, लेकिन नहीं, log, okay, this is only because of log. Okay, write this down. Time taken for 75% completion is equal to 2 into T half or T half plus T half. This is the same thing if I write time taken for 3/4 completion. Okay, same thing, 2 into the T half. All of you done? Yes or no? Please tell me, guys. लिख लिया
Yes,
आप लोगों
sir.
ने?
Yes.
Done.
एक सवाल लिख लीजिए आप. A reactant has half lifetime of 10 minutes. Calculate the rate constant for the first order reaction. ठीक है? Okay, whenever you have this half life, you know what is the formula for half life? T half is equal to, tell me, for first order reaction. T half is equal to how much? Please tell me, my con, जल्दी से बताइए. T half is equal to
0.693
0.693 by K.
divided by K. You know that the T half is equal to what? Half life is equal to 10 minutes. So K will be equal to 0.693 divided by 10 minutes, right? This will be equal to 0.0693 minute inverse. Correct? Yes or no? Please tell me, guys.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Then they are saying what fraction of, please यहाँ पे देखिएगा, ठीक है ना. इन्होंने क्या पूछा? What fraction of reactant? इन्होंने the amount of reactant नहीं पूछा है. क्या पूछा है? Fraction of reactant. Fraction का मतलब क्या होता है? The final concentration divided by the initial. ये आपके ये fraction हो गया. Fraction of reactant that will be left after an hour. आपको क्या दे दिया? Time दे दिया. ठीक है? They have given you time, so you can calculate this by 2.303 log of A naught upon A is equal to KT. Correct? You have got the K, you have got the time also. 1 hour, 1 hour को 60 minutes कर लीजिएगा. ठीक है? So this will be equal to what? Log of A naught upon A is equal to KT. K is what? K is 0.0693 minute inverse into time कितना होगा? 10 minutes है ना? Time will be 10 minutes, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
अरे yes sir. अरे टी हाफ है वो. 1 आवर के लिए बताइए ना टाइम होगा.
60 minutes.
हाँ 60 मिनट्स. अभी बोला हमने कन्वर्ट कर लीजिएगा 1 आवर को. ठीक है, ध्यान रखिएगा इन सब चीजों का, कंफ्यूज मत होइएगा. दिस विल बी इनटू 60 मिनट्स. ओके, सो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू हाउ मच गाइस? This is equal to 4.158. Okay, so log of A naught upon A is equal to 4.158. So I need to calculate A naught upon A is equal to 10 to the power 4.158. यही है, yes or no? अरे हाँ या ना?
Yes.
ठीक है,
Yes,
तो ये
sir.
बताइए कितना होगा? Tell me what will be this value?
Two into 10 raised to 4.
कितना हो जाएगा? सॉरी,
2 into 10 raised to 4.
2 into 10 raised to 4. I think so. कैलकुलेट कीजिए, फिर आपको एक चीज बताएंगे. तो किस तरह से कैलकुलेट करेंगे? This will be equal to what? 10 to the power 4 plus 0.158, right?
Yes, sir.
So this will be 10 to the power 0.16 कर देते हैं इसको into 10 to the power 4, correct?
Yes.
इसके आगे बताइए कैसे करेंगे?
Like for the decimal point, we should take the nearest log.
हाँ, लेकिन नियरेस्ट लॉग भी बहुत दूर है ना.
Yes. Like 0.3 is the nearest, right?
हाँ, 0.3 is the nearest for us.
So should be converted like again to 10 raised to 16 into 10 raised
आप
to
इसको ये कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे 10 to the power 0.15 लेके चलिए, ठीक है. Then if it is a multiple of 3 तो क्या बताया था हमने? कुछ बताया था आप लोगों को ना. तो किसी चीज में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. It was you guys or someone else? देखिए, 10 to the power 3x, ठीक है. 10 to the power 3x will be equal to 2 to the power of x. याद रहेगा आप लोगों को डेसिमल्स में, ओके. That means 10 to the power 0.15 will be equal to when 3x is less than 1. ये ध्यान रखिएगा. 3x क्या होना चाहिए? It should be less than 1. So 10 to the power minus 15, I can write it as what? 10 to the power 3 into 0.5, yes or no?
0.0. 3 into
0.05.
0.0.
अच्छा, एक सेकंड, तो इसको आप ऐसे कर लीजिए. 0.3x into x.
So is that a formula?
हाँ, इसको आप फॉर्मूले की तरह, ये इट्स अ मैथमेटिकल रिलेशनशिप, ठीक है. वो मतलब ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ फॉर्मूला ही है. आई डोंट नो वेदर इट वाज योर क्लास और समबडी एल्सेस क्लास जहाँ पे हम लोगों ने इसको ये किया था, एस्टैब्लिश किया था. You can also see this in your calculator. 10 to the power 0.15 is equal to 1.412. Okay, and if I am going to write, this is what? 10 to the power 0.15, ठीक है. और 2 to the power of 0.5 यानी कि √2 की वैल्यू क्या होती है? 1.414, करेक्ट? yes or no? 2 to the power 0.5
Yes,
will be
yes,
equal to
yes.
what? √2 ना,
Yes, sir.
है ना. तो ऑलमोस्ट लाइक इट इज वेरी सिमिलर दोनों का इस फॉर्मेट में, अगर आप लिखिएगा तो. ओके, so this will be what? 1.414 into 10 to the power 4. But please remember, this is what? A naught upon A. और हमको क्या चाहिए? A upon A naught. So this will be 10 to the power of 4 divided by 10 to the power of 4, 1 upon 1.44 into 10 to the power of 4.
So can you show the question again?
Yeah, just a second. एक बार बस confirm कर लीजिएगा, like if there is, I think there should be no mistake here, okay? But still, just recheck once you are calculating.
So why are we taking A by A naught? I mean A.
Because fraction of reactant that will be left. So, okay, that is why. कहीं गलती नहीं है ना, बस एक बार ये देख लीजिएगा आप लोग, ओके? Oh, there is one mistake though, guys, okay? 2.303 को डिवाइड करना हम भूल गए यहाँ पे. So this will be also divided by 2.303. This will be oh नहीं, फिर ये आंसर यहाँ से ये हो जाएगा. My bad, guys. Really sorry for this blunder here. I was very taken. Something seemed off here. That's fine, but okay. So actually the thing is like there is a very small formula for calculating this. ठीक है? I was just making you guys to calculate कि अगर आप लोग को वो formula याद नहीं रहा तो. Okay, but I think it is better now to give you that formula because once we were done, I was thinking to give that formula, and that formula will make things like very easy for you guys. Okay, so देखिए, please see here, guys. Okay, please see. Let's suppose we are talking about three things. Okay, we are first of all talking about number of half-life. ठीक है, number of half-life, and then we are talking about the percentage of reactant remaining. Okay, what percentage of the reactant will be remaining? So when it is the first half-life, then the percentage of reactant will be remaining will be what? 100% divided by 2. That means 50% of the reactant will be remaining. Yes or no? Please tell me, guys. Correct hai?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If it is second half-life, then 50% upon 2, that is equal to 25% will be remaining. Correct hai? Yes or no? Please tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
When it is 3, then I can say it will be what? When it is 3, this will be, sorry, 25 divided by
2.
That will be equal to 12.5%. ठीक है? अच्छा, अब इसी चीज को ना I am going to write it in a different way. How I am going to write it? I can write the same thing as, I hope you guys are looking and not writing anything. Okay, please see, don't write anything right now. Okay, see here. I can write this as 100% divided by 2 to the power 1, that will be 50. I can write this 100% divided by 2 to the power 2. This will also give me what? 25 only. Yes or no? Please tell me, guys.
Yes,
दिख रहा है आप लोगों को, है ना?
yes.
यहाँ पे हम इसको क्या कर सकते हैं? 100% divided by 2 to the power 3. Correct? Yes or no? Please tell me. This will
Yes,
give me
sir.
what? 12.5. Okay. So अगर आपके पास, if you have n half lives, then this will be what? 100% divided by
2 raised to n.
2 raised to n. Okay. 100% divided by 2 raised to n. Or what else we can write? 1 by 2 to the power of n percentage. Correct? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes.
ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे आप बताइए एक चीज, when n is equal to 1, we are talking about what? First half life. Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, फर्स्ट हाफ लाइफ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग. When n it is equal to what? When n is equal to 2, right? We are talking about the second half life. Correct? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now, let's suppose, जैसे कि आप लोगों को यहाँ पे अगर हम बात करें कि आपके पास, take a simple case for this. Let's suppose the half life is equal to 10 minutes. जैसे यहाँ पे था, t half is equal to 10 minutes. Okay, t half is equal to 10 minutes. अच्छा, when time is equal to 20 minutes, ठीक है, when time is equal to 20 minutes, this 20, अगर time 20 minutes होगा, this will be what half life? हाफ लाइफ नंबर क्या हो जाएगा इसका? When time is equal to 20 minutes,
Second half.
2.
this will be second half life, right? This will be second half life. That means second हम लोग कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? The total time divided by the t half time. Yes or no? बात आ रही समझ सबको? This will give me what? 20 upon 10. That means it is the second half life. सही है? Yes or no? Please tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. When t is equal to 30 minutes, तो ये हाफ लाइफ नंबर कितना हो जाएगा? टोटल टाइम इज 30 मिनट्स.
Third half.
टी हाफ हमारे पास ये हो जाएगा थर्ड हाफ लाइफ. उसी तरह से जब t इज इक्वल टू 60 मिनट्स हो जाएगा, देन दिस विल बी माय 60 अपॉन 10, दैट इज सिक्स्थ हाफ लाइफ. यस और नो? प्लीज टेल मी गाइस.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो बस अब हम लोग इसको यहाँ पे रख देते, है ना? हाउ मच परसेंटेज ऑफ द रिएक्टर विल बी रिमेनिंग. आपको इनिशियल परसेंटेज देखिए, यहाँ पे फ्रैक्शन पूछा है, इनिशियल नहीं पूछा है. व्हाट परसेंटेज ऑफ द रिएक्टेंट विल बी रिमेनिंग. और इस फॉर्मूले से हम लोग क्या मिलेगा? परसेंटेज ऑफ रिएक्टेंट रिमेनिंग, है ना? मान लीजिए अगर आपको 70% रिएक्टेंट रिमेनिंग है, दैट मींस यू हैव 7 अपॉन 10 रिमेनिंग, और यू कैन राइट 0.7 फ्रैक्शन रिमेनिंग. यस और नो? परसेंटेज मिला तो फ्रैक्शन निकाल
Yes.
सकते हैं, राइट? सो आफ्टर 60 minutes, percentage of reactant remaining is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of what? 6, because 60 minutes में हमारे पास कौन सा हाफ लाइफ चल रहा था? सिक्स्थ हाफ लाइफ चल रहा था, राइट? इसमें जो भी डिवीजन आएगा इसका परसेंटेज हम लोग इनटू 100 करके आप निकाल लीजिएगा. सो दिस विल बी व्हाट? 1 अपॉन 2 to the power of 6 will be what? 64 ना. So this will be the fraction of reactant remaining. ठीक है, परसेंटेज में कीजिएगा तो इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा 100 से. दिस विल बी द फ्रैक्शन. Okay, fraction of reactant remaining. All of you got this? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes.
Okay, this was a bit lengthy to understand, but I think the answer that we have got, the conclusion that we have got is quite elegant. Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay, so इसको एक बार फिर से ट्राई कर लीजिएगा, but I am just going to write here the conclusion that we have found. The conclusion that we have found is, for a first order reaction with half life period is equal to t half, fraction of reactant remaining is equal to 1/2 to the power of n. Here n is equal to total time, जिसके बाद में आपको फ्रैक्शन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट रिमेनिंग निकालना है, डिवाइड बाय दी t हाफ. ओके, चलिए